How to use reminders on iPhone. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the application of reminders on iPhone in order to keep all of your reminders organized. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta open the application of reminders and you can sync it to your iCloud so that you can access the same reminders on all of your iCloud linked devices. Now once you open the application, you'll be able to see an interface like this. Over here, you'll be able to see all of your today reminders, your schedule reminders, all and completed. And here you can also use the built-in AI feature to get more fun of reminders. And you can also update reminders here. And here you can add a list and you'll be able to see all of your reminders organized within a list over here. Now, if you wish to create a new reminder, you can simply click on plus new reminder. And here you can give it a title. Here I'm going to type office, and then you can write some short notes that what is this reminder about, and like I'm just going to write down XYZ, etc., and then you can click on details. Over here, you'll be able to see a couple of options. First is date, so you can toggle the date on and you can set that when this reminders need to be set. For example, I'm going to set it as 24th of January. And then you're going to set time that when you'll get the reminder, and then you can set repeat that when you want the reminder to be repeated. For example, if you're setting reminders for your medications and you want the reminders to be repeated every day at a specific hour, so you can just set that over here. And then we have location, that in what location the reminder should be buzzed. For example, when you're getting in the car, getting out, so the phone GPS would navigate where you are right now. And then we have priority over here, that what's the priority, like high, medium, low, whatever. And once done, you can click on add, and after that you'll be able to see that there is one reminder over here, that is all. And if you can see that I have set the reminder of tomorrow, so that's why it's in schedule. But if the reminder was of today, you'll be able to see that over here. So that is basically how you can use a reminders application on iPhone. So if you like this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.